SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore, and in this series we're looking at how to get started. Now we've reached the point of trying to find the broker who can help us. So let's have a look at the types of brokers to help us get underway with trading and investing. Now let's start with the full service broker. Now, as the name suggests, full service, everything's going to be laid on, including advice, research, and some other services. Now that could be complimentary as part of the package, or it could be relative to the level of financial services qualifications they've got. For example, there's a difference between what's called generic advice, where someone can give you a general overview of the market and stock price movement and quotation of stock prices, and financial advice, where someone has the right and legal right to be able to say, do this or do that, buy, sell or hold, get into this stock, get out of that stock. Now, if you're new, maybe that's something you're after, so full service could be for you. Let's look now at a discount broker. Now, as the name suggests, discount, it will cost less. And why? Well, they execute trades by phone or email, but have a look here, there's no advice. Now, that could be relative to the level of qualification, and that's okay. If you just want someone that you can rely on to say, please sell that for me, buy that for me, then a discount broker is going to be the way forward, and probably less brokerage per transaction. So maybe that's for you. Let's look now at an online broker. Now, online brokers are not actual stockbrokers, people. They are going to be a company who provides a platform for you to go on to. Think of it like your internet banking. The bank provides a platform for you to do it yourself. That's the same here, and that's what an online broker is. It's a company, not an actual person. So, how's the structure? Well, it's an online platform, web-based, and usually the cheapest. Just like internet banking, you don't actually have to deal with someone at the bank. You just do it yourself. So there's less hands-on, less people need to be paid. Therefore, every time you click and execute a trade, it's going to be probably less price instead of doing it as a full service. And you get to take total control of your funds and your trading. Click, click, get in, get out. You get to take control. You're in total control of your funds, your transactions, your withdrawals, your deposits, and maybe that's what you're after if you're completely comfortable and have been in the market a while. Hugely popular around the world and also here in Australia. Now, a combination broker is going to be a combination of trade execution and some other limited services, but you can inquire what are those services and is it relative to your qualifications and what are they, so you can get confident with who you're dealing with and what that allows you to do. And it's also going to be less, obviously, than the full service. Maybe it's just someone there to help you with executing, getting in and out of trades. That'll be relative to your experience and your confidence as well, if that's going to suit you. So who to choose? We've looked at a number of options. It's going to be relative to who you are in the marketplace. Quite experienced, been around for a while, seen the market movement, knowing what to expect, or a complete rookie who you need someone to walk alongside with you. And that's going to build your confidence up if that's the case. So what's it relative to? Well, it's going to depend on your prior experience. How much do you know? Also, your available time. Can you watch the markets all day via your phone, or are you at work and you just don't have time? You need someone in a managed environment to do that for you. Or are you confident making your own calls, or do you need someone to really help you with that to be absolutely sure? And that's probably leaning towards the full service if that's the case. Or online if you say, I got this, I'm completely comfortable. So a lot of options there for you. Now, if you do want more help, you can get in touch with us at info@shareprices.com.au, and we can help you maybe make that decision or guide you in the right direction. But this is all about how to get started. We're getting closer to opening an account and starting trading, but as for now, the types of brokers, and there's some options for you. But do stay in touch, info@shareprices.com.au. As for now, happy trading. I'm CJ Dore from the SharePrices.com.au studios.